This is a special recipe for male potency. If you are a man, this recipe is for you. All you will need is 2 cloves of garlic. You either grate it or we press it the way we are doing in the video. All right. All you need is for you to grind it, turn it to a paste, right? Then the next thing you need to do is to add 2 tablespoons of homemade apple cider, right? Homemade apple cider. Just 2 tablespoons is enough, and then you will add warm water, not too hot and not cold, just warm water. And then you add a tablespoon of honey. Just a tablespoon is enough. Then you will turn them together. You will turn them together, right? As you can see, as we are doing this. This drink improves circulation and cleanses the blood. It helps with the circulation of blood. This is specially made for male potency. Drink this once every day. You will watch how your potency will increase. Digital Doctor, I love you.